You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you.
Corey Towns, y'all.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing? Period. Y'all, it's like one of the best times. It's one of the best times in the city, y'all. It's Mardi Gras time. Okay, let the good times roll. If y'all not from New Orleans or haven't experienced a Mardi Gras in New Orleans, if y'all ain't coming down this year, y'all have to make plans for future years to come because it is the best time. Okay, so this is gonna be a prep for Mardi Gras vlog, and then the Mardi Gras vlog is gonna come, and the Namsak vlog is gonna come. It's just a lot. It's like good times, king cake, liquor, parades, family, fun, food, music is going down this weekend. So y'all, I got my hair done, as y'all can see. It's so cute. This is the closure wig. My hairdresser, my sister, she made it and installed it herself, and it's giving. So I got my hair done, so it's just y'all just get into this vlog, okay? So before we get into this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because y'all already know these videos coming back to back, period. Okay, y'all, I got my hair done already, so I have to include the clips of me getting it done right now. Yo, my hairdresser and my sister did her big one on my hair. I was gonna do color, but I'm gonna wait and bring it out from the next event. The curls is popping. So now I have to go do some last minute shopping with mama to get some outfits for Mardi Gras. And yeah, it's lit. It's the one of the best times. Shh. What would you say, Lee? Yeah, my baby got her hair braided. That's why y'all see her bonnet. And my other niece, she got braids too. We gonna look so cute for the parades. It's like the best time in the city, for real. So, yo, look at my mama hair.
The other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, going on shows. I've on the road, don't get wide. Long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. I really
Yo, so I'm back. Me and my mama are at Academy getting chairs. Because if you know, you know.
Please proceed to register 1.
If you know, you know. You need to sit down at the parade. I know. You gotta sit down at the parades, and they're on sale for $5. So we got our chairs and everything.
7 hours later.
Yo, get up. So it's Saturday, February 18th, and it's really the best weekend in New Orleans. And Mardi Gras is 3 days away. So if y'all watched my Mardi Gras vlog last year, y'all already know that the Saturday before is the West Bank Mardi Gras. It's gonna be lit, honey. Full of food, fun, drinking, parades. It's going down, y'all. So I'm taking y'all with me. So y'all, I got my hair done. So So I have to take my flexi rods out and get dressed. So y'all just gonna watch the process until we get together, okay? Yeah, I haven't worn flexi rods literally since high school. I might gotta recurl my hair some, but she gonna be cute. Yo, Mardi Gras is like the best season. So if y'all haven't experienced the Mardi Gras, I suggest y'all do. It's full of beads, booze, liquor, more liquor, daiquiris. It's just lit. Period. The flexi rod's doing what it gotta be, what got to be done. I think I'm gonna wine curl my hair for Mardi Gras Tuesday though. Y'all gotta brush my teeth, wash my face, get me together, and I'm gonna come back when I'm dressed. Y'all ignore my needs to roam, but this is my outfit. Ooh, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I look so cute. Here I said, I think I'm gonna put on my gold tail farm. I don't know, but she's ready. No lashes, y'all, just lip gloss. Hope I get a fire picture, but yeah.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you.
Yeah, my hair is just super cool. I can't wait till they fall, the curls fall. But we made a liquor store trip. And we got warmers because it's cold outside. A couple months back, my cousin had, let me show y'all. These little Jose Cuervo, is it Jose Cuervo? Oh, Chi-Chi's margarita mixers and stuff. So I got a couple of these and I'm gonna be on Stella. Alright y'all, so it's day 2. The West Bank holiday, which was yesterday on Saturday, was a success, y'all. Like, I was so tired coming home, like, so I really didn't vlog that much. But today is day 2, weekend of Mardi Gras. So it's going down. I got another parade today, and yeah. What I'm wearing, a brown sweater, my Telfar UGG purse, some tights, and my boots. So I'm gonna take y'all with us today. We rolling. We're gonna be outside. It's lit.
Let's hear it for the 6 Stompers.
crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why.
Red. Red. Oh, let's go, boo-boo. Oh. That eye. That eye. Listen. Sam I am. Sammy Quake, the Lock Beauty, period.
We didn't build nothing overnight, cause a love like this takes some time. People swore it off as a phase, said we can't see that.
I couldn't see.
Whoa!
Is this one?
Oh my God! Yes, Taylor. Say I ain't hit nothing either, don't you? Look at the scope. So they gave me 2 points and I ain't hit one pin. They cheap.
Always wait till they get to the end.
Good job, good job, good job.
You can't even sit in peace.
Okay, y'all, so it's like the next day, y'all. Bowling was lit. Of course I lost today. I was over it, you hear me? I was over it. We're still with the prep for Mardi Gras, still doing it. I want to make these shorts with some feathers on it that I've seen. I forgot the girl Instagram, but I'm gonna insert a picture I've seen on Pinterest. So I want to attempt to do these jeans with my shirt tomorrow. My auntie made a shirt for me for Mardi Gras. So that's what I'm about to get into now. I'm about to just do some arts and crafts and figure it out because I'm trying to be cute tomorrow, okay? These are the feathers. It's the shorts.
It's very nice. I'll call you later.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke.
Alright, y'all, so since the last time I talked to y'all seen my shorts. They came out so cute, y'all. Like, I love them so much. So now after that, I had to go with my brother, and you know, he's balling out there, like balling seafood and crawfish out and stuff and selling them. And I went with him for that, and I had to go make a run for our alcohol tomorrow. We're not playing no games. So I'm inside now, and I'm just one curling my hair, and I'm gonna flex around it for tomorrow. So yeah, y'all, this is basically the end of the vlog, because now it's gonna be the Mardi Gras vlog, which y'all are gonna catch next. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because y'all know these videos back to back, period.